In this video, we're making this prawn potato brinjal curry that is absolutely delicious and it's also really healthy. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. So first, to a pot, add in the oil and heat it. Once the oil is hot, add in the onions, the tomatoes, and the green chilies. Give them a mix. And then add in the salt. I added about 2 small spoons. And then give that a mix. And then cover and cook this on low flame for 6 to 8 minutes till the onions and tomatoes are soft and cooked. Then add in the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 to 2 more minutes. Then add in the brinjal and the potatoes. And then give that a mix. And then again cover and cook on low flame until the potatoes are almost cooked. And make sure to stir in between. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of the potato chunks. Once you have checked that the potato is cooked, you're going to add in the prawns. Give them a light mix and again cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your prawns should be cooked. And then add in the bhajla masala. This is an East Indian masala which you can find in stores. Give it a mix and then add in the hot water. And mix it well and cover and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then finally garnish with coriander and let this cook for about 1 to 2 more minutes. And that's it. You can serve this hot with some rice or bread and enjoy, and this is so wholesome and delicious. I'll see you soon with some new recipes. Bye!